Hello everyone, today we are in the peaceful countryside of Molise and the properties we are looking at is situated in the municipality of Civitanova del Sannio, but just a short distance from the village of Salcito. Both villages offer basic facilities, including grocery stores, shops, cafes, restaurants, and essential everyday services. But for a wider range of amenities, we have the town of Trivento and Campobasso and Agnone at a short drive. And today we are looking at this property that also has a shed behind it. And all the land that you see here belongs to the property. It is a beautiful restored country house set in 7 acres of land with olive trees, fruit trees, woodland, and natural spring, offering complete privacy and stunning countryside views. The property features all modern comforts, including full insulation, solar panels, new utilities, and central heating system, and the property is ready to move into. Here we find the main entrance of the property that is located under this beautiful enclosed wooden veranda with large panoramic windows overlooking the garden. The house extends over 3 floors and measures approximately 200 square meters. Here we find the entrance, and as we enter, on one side we find this spacious living room, and on the other side the fully equipped kitchen. Here we have also a wood burning stove, and the property is sold completely furnished, except for personal items, of course. Here we have the kitchen. As you can see, the property has double glazed windows in every room, but they also decided to keep the older wooden windows on the inside just to give character to the property, but of course they can be removed. And here we find a large versatile room with exposed stone walls that is now used as an office space, but it can be used as a additional guest accommodation because it has its own entrance connected to the wooden veranda and also direct access to the garden space. And completes this floor a full bathroom. This bathroom avails of a shower, and also it is internally connected to the cellar that is now used as a woodshed. In this way, you don't have to go outside to collect the wood from the stove. Now we can reach the first floor. Here we have the gas boiler that powers the central heating system and the kitchen. Same thing here, we have the double glazed windows on the outside and the wooden windows on the inside. And here we are on the first floor. This floor is internally connected to the shed that we saw from the outside. This is the inside of the shed. It is now used as a storage space for gardening tools, or it can also be used as a parking space because it is possible to reach it with a car. And here on this floor we find 2 bedrooms and a second full bathroom. Here is the bathroom with a bathtub. And here on the left we have what is now used as the master bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. It is big enough to be a double bedroom, of course, with a beautiful panoramic view. And this bedroom enjoys also direct access to the spectacular panoramic terrace overlooking the rolling hills and the unspoiled countryside. The woodland that you can see down there belongs to the property. And down there is also a natural spring. Now we are back inside so we can check the attic floor. Here we have the batteries for the solar panels because the house is equipped with a 6 kilowatt solar energy system comprising of 20 solar panels. And here we have a room right now used as an office space, but it can be easily converted into an additional bedroom with some storage space. The property also benefits from a large cellar currently used as a woodshed, and also it is the utility room where we can find the 7 kilowatt solar energy system, which significantly contribute to the property's electricity supply and heating system. But for more reliability, the house is also served by a large LPG gas tank to provide backup energy for heating and hot water when required. The land extends to approximately 7 hectares and includes 46 olive trees, several fruit trees, woodland, and making it ideal for those seeking a lifestyle immersed in nature and privacy. The property is sold furnished and ready to move into. If you need any information, you can send an email to info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.